Okay, in this video we're going to cover ad tracking. There are multiple ways to track your advertisement. For this particular video, we're going to be focusing on affiliate marketing. If you own your own product, we're going to have future updates of how to track your ads with your own website. But for this one, we're going to do affiliate marketing because it's so popular. So now what I want to do is just click on one of my campaigns that I set up. And then we'll just click on the ad group name. Okay, let's scroll down. And just depending on which affiliate network you sign up with, whether it be ClickBooth, ClickBanks, Commission Junction, they have identifier codes that you can put in to your keywords to track the ad. And I'm going to show you how to do that. What you want to do is click on this little box that says keyword. And then what this does is it highlights all of your keywords, and then you just click edit keyword settings. Then once you're in your edit keyword settings page, you can set all of your keywords to a certain amount of money per click, which if as you get more used to using pay-per-click, you'll start tweaking these ads a little bit more, and you'll have different processes for certain keywords because some keywords are going to pull in more money for you than other keywords, and some of them are going to convert better. So you just want to adjust your price per click accordingly to those keywords. But now I've already copied and pasted or copied a identifier. This particular identifier is for ClickBooth. So I'm just going to paste this in the browser, in the window. Now I'm going to show you how, like, the right way and the wrong way to do this. I'm going to show you the wrong way first because if you do it like this, the company is going to be able to see which keyword you're using, and then they're going to start using that for their own campaigns. So just keep in mind that Commission Junction, ClickBooth, those guys, they're watching your advertisement. Okay, now the way that you get this code right here is you just either call or email whatever company that you're affiliate marketing for, and they'll give you this identifier code. And in this code right here, you can see where it says Julio Gordoni weight loss. Now that's the keyword identifier. So what you want to do there is just click on that and then backspace it. But instead of putting the actual keyword that you're going to use, put like 001. And then what you want to do is just take your notepad or whatever you're going to write on and write down all your codes. 001 equals, and then put the keyword, and then 002 equals. That way you know which code goes with which keyword. So you just want to put 001 because this way the company, when they see this, they can't tell which keyword it is. All they can see is that it's a number. But when you paste this in here, you can take this little button right here and just push this, and then it automatically enters that code for all of your keywords. Now the only thing that you have to go in and change for each of your keyword is just the keyword identifier. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. See where you've got 001 right here. Then you would just back this up, and you put 002 or whatever identifier that you're going to use for this particular keyword. Now this is a totally different industry than what I've got this for. I'm going to show you why I did that in a minute. I just want to show you how to get those in, and that's all you have to do. All you have to do is just really take this information right here and take out the 001 and put each number according to whatever your keyword is. I would just suggest to make a list from 1 through however many keywords that you have. So if you have 50 keywords, just make a list of 1 through 50 and then put numbers for the keywords. 001, 002, 003, and so on. All right, let's get this campaign, go back into the campaign that this actual code goes with. Okay, now we're in the right campaign. The reason why I was showing you that in a different campaign is because once that you edit all of your keywords, then your screen looks like this right here. It looks a little different than the screen you saw at first. But it works the same way. Basically, if you want to edit your keywords, you can just click on this button that automatically highlights all of them, or you can use your settings for each individual keyword. Now, you see my keywords right here. And like I said, this is the wrong way to set the campaign up, because this identifier right here, as you can see, it has the actual keyword in it. So when data comes back to ClickBooth, they can actually see what word I'm using. So for Hoodia Gordoni weight loss, I wouldn't put that as the keyword. I would just start numbering the keywords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many keywords that you have. That's going to keep them from being able to target your keyword and use it, because they're doing the same thing you are. I mean, they own the CPA network, so they also advertise as well. So in a way, they are your competition. So just kind of keep your keywords private, because what this identifier does is when you log into your account, it's got a button that you can choose, and it'll show you all of your keywords and which ones actually made sales and which ones didn't. Then you can take that information, go back, and actually take out keywords or add keywords according to what's selling and what's not. And that's going to really determine what's going to make your campaign profitable. If you've got 100 keywords, but there's only 3 keywords that are actually making you money, there's really no point in having the other 97 keywords. Or you need to take those keywords and change them up a little bit to get a more specific search term. Now, it is going to take a little bit of time to set these up. As you can see here, as I'm scrolling down, you can see that there's not a lot of keywords, but just a few keywords. And 15, 20 keywords. Still takes a little time to set these up, but just make sure that you take the time to do this. It's going to make all the difference in your campaign, whether your campaign makes money or whether it doesn't. Because all these keywords, honestly, they don't make money. I mean, if you're selling something and say you're getting paid a commission of $40 to sell, Hoodia Gordoni weight loss pills. Well, the ones that are selling, more than likely, there's only going to be a few of those keywords, maybe 2, 3, 4 keywords that actually make sales. The rest of the keywords are just eating up your profit. So if you are making a profit from the beginning, say that for every $40 that you make, you spend 20, you're doubling your money. Well, you got to remember that some of those keywords that aren't making money are sucking up some of your profit. So you definitely want to eliminate those or change those keywords to see to make sure that that you're going to make the most profit that you can off the ad group. And you could even be like almost making a profit, but you're not quite making a profit. That's how you know you need to change your keywords, or make sure that you got all your ad tracking in place, because that really makes all the difference in your campaign. If you're not tracking your ads, you're really just kind of guessing that to what's making money and what's not. So just call or email the company that you're doing affiliate marketing for, and they'll give you those code identifiers, and then you basically just click on your keyword, and then you can edit that particular keyword with your identifier code. But like I said, just make sure that you take your code and you don't type in the actual word. As you can see here, Hoodia Gordoni is in there as the actual word. Take that out and write down on your notepad and put all your codes in like that.